Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2002 Honda Goldwing. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This TRIKE has 76,669 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire is new, the rear left is at 830 seconds, and the rear right is also at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the TRIKE bodywork is slightly tilted with the right side about 3/4 of an inch lower. This TRIKE also has a considerable amount of aftermarket wiring and switches, and that some of these are no longer functional. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the fuel tank, chrome peeling on the clutch lever, and tape peeling off the side step. This TRIKE has an owner's manual and 2 keys. It comes equipped with cruise control, an electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, an intercom, and a CB radio. It's been upgraded with a Roadsmith TRIKE kit, a trailer hitch, upper air deflectors, highway pegs, passenger armrests, stenciled graphics, and grips. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.